Okay, so let me just say that there is something called Sketchpad. If you just type in sketchpad.com, it'll take you there, right? And there's different, you can change the pencil and color, and you can, make your little person wear an outfit, right? So my idea for look, she's so pretty. I'm doing this with a mouse, and it is ridiculous. But again, it doesn't matter how beautiful it is, right? It matters that you are conveying ethos, pathos, and logos. So, and there's also like a text box. So I put it up here and I'd be like, Nature Valley, climb your mountain. That's my advertising slogan. Okay, making you think that you eat the granola bar, you make it to the goal that you've set, right? I'm not finding this to be that fun with just a mouse and no touch screen. But I could save it to download it, right, and then upload it, insert image from my computer, and put it right here and be done. I mean, what I did was not done. So now I'm going to attempt to use slides to make the picture. Remember, you can insert an image by searching the web. So I want to put person on a mountain. Oh my God, yes. So I like this one. And of course it comes in way too big. But once again, I'm reiterating, it's not the quality of the art. If you can make high quality art, please do so. You can draw by hand on a piece of paper. Probably I would like a mountain with more space above it, but whatever. That's not happening. So then what happens if I stick person? Yes. All right, so I want my person to look like super victorious, like this person, okay? So I've inserted that. That is obviously a little bit large. And they look happy. And then Nature Valley. I need a granola bar to put in this person's hand. I just want the wrapper, but I'm not getting that. And again, look how it gave me Nature Valleys. I'm going to put this in their hand. Does it make sense? No. Does that matter? Also no. Okay. And there they go. They got it with them. They brought the whole value pack to the top of the mountain. I'm going to put it in her hand. There we go. Okay. And now, of course, my ethos, pathos, logos comes in with text. So maybe I need to draw a box. And maybe I need to fill that box with a Nature Valley color. And now, Nature Valley. Climb. I have to capitalize because I'm a professional advertiser. Your mountain. Exclamation point. That text is boring, so I need to pick a better one. And then bigger, right? But not so big. It takes up another. I'm still not in love with that, but I'm getting paid very little for making this advertisement. But that's, so now I have like my emotional, you're supposed to believe that if you eat this, it will help you reach your goals. But it's still, so that's my pathos. I need more with my logic, and I need more with my expert advice. So probably another, and you can make stuff up, okay? So I could insert a cloud shape, yes, woo, and then a little text box inside of there. Medical studies show that oats reduce cholesterol. Yes, right. And I know this because I watch Cheerios commercials. Now, this is very questionable, but so are a lot of things in advertisements. I know that Oswald is a skinny font. Love it. I might like a blue. I might like to center it, right? That's something. Now I've got my ethos. I've mentioned medical studies and facts, and I sound reliable. Incredible, I hope. And then maybe I need a subtitle for my Climb Your Mountain that's more clearly logical. Feed your body, reach your goals. Oh my God, that's a nice if-then statement, right? Do I like white? Maybe, maybe not. And so now I'm ready to explain, like, my ethos has this like credible medical information. So I'd explain that in a sentence or two. The emotion is this idea of achievement, right? That this is going to make me want to eat this because I think it's going to be good for me, and then I'll be able to do the things I want to do. And my logic is if I take care of my body, then I'm more likely to be able to do the things I want to do, right? That's my attempt at ethos, pathos, logos in a very simple advertisement. So don't tell me you can't do this. You can. Please note, you can also just get out a piece of paper and a pen and pencil, some markers, whatever, finish it on paper, take a picture of it, probably email it to yourself, and then save it to your computer so that then you can insert the image from your computer or from your drive or from your photos, okay? If you need help, I cannot know that unless you ask me.